Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Instagram DM glitch. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So if you have been wanting to access your Instagram and you're randomly getting a glitch on your DM while accessing the DM by texting or receiving, and you are having any kind of issues with that, what you can do is you can go ahead, go back first, check out your internet connection. If it's not good, that could also cause a problem, so make sure you check that out. And once if you find any problem, try connecting with any other connection and you are good to go. Next thing, go ahead, go to App Store, check out the apps update, because if the app is not updated, that could also be the reason why you're having the issue. Tap on your app itself and check out the update option, and then tap on the update option, and that should also help you out to make your app work pretty well. You can also do the vice versa by you can also go ahead and long press on it and uninstall the app itself and reinstall it, re-log in, and that should also clear out the problem. And that is it. Those are the things that you can do to fix your glitch. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.